Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, David. So today I will be teaching us on how to create a Yankee Facebook account. So you can create any Facebook account from foreign country that will not get disabled. So and this is how you are going to create a Facebook account that it's just like you recovering a Facebook account that has been in existence before. So whereby you won't be blocked. So it is very effective if you are a person who wants to create accounts for your client. You want to create a Facebook account for your buyer that is looking forward to running ads or managing its business, and you want a Facebook account that lasts long without being disabled. So you are going to use this method for yours, or probably you are running a business on your own and you want to create a Facebook account and you don't want it to be disabled. So this is the method you're going to use. Now first thing you have to do is you have to get two apps, or let me say three apps ready. The first one is a SMS virtual app. You have to get it ready, so you have to download the SMS virtual app. I've already downloaded it already. The second app you have to download is DuckDuckGo. You have to use this browser, DuckDuckGo browser, on your mobile phone, because I'm using my mobile phone for this. So after DuckDuckGo, so another browser is VPN. You need a VPN for this. So although I'm using a paid VPN, which is Windscribe, but there are some free VPN you can use, like Urban, and also there is free version of Windscribe as well you can use. So there are different free VPN you can use on your phone. So you have to download the VPN. So that's the third app you're going to use. And once you are done with that, the first thing you have to do is go over to your SMS virtual account. So you're going over to your SMS virtual account. So what I'm going to press here is SMS virtual. So now this is where you're going to get the number you are going to use in recovering and a Facebook account. So you can see here that this is we have different options whereby you can get the number, but mostly you can see Facebook is all over SMS virtual. So the first thing you're going to do is check the you can see they said here that Facebook Philippines is the recommended option. They gave Philippines, Brazil and Indian as the recommended Facebook accounts. So if you are going to create a Facebook that is not in those countries, you can just type your Facebook there. You can just type Facebook. Probably you want to create a US account, UK Facebook, or other countries Facebook. You can just click it and then type the name, the country you want to create. So probably you want to create the United States, so you can just press the US account. So you can see, but you can see that the percentage is just 22%. So the probability of getting this account opened is, the chances is very narrow, because it has 22%. So we can go for the highest percentage. So now if we are going through the percentage here, you can see that Netherlands has the highest percentage of 41. Okay, now not just Netherlands, we have Switzerland as the highest percentage, which is 44%. We have the Djibouti as 42%. So so far Switzerland has 44%. So I'm going to check my VPN if my VPN is having a Switzerland IP VPN. So if Switzerland is present in my VPN, so I'm going to my Windscribe and I'm going to type Switzerland, because you have to immediately you check the country of the number you want to choose. You have to check the VPN and put it on. So I'm going with Switzerland. So now Switzerland is available on my VPN. So but first thing, I have to go and fund my account. So you can just fund any of the balance you want to do. If you want to fund 15 activation, which is cost $4, so I'm gonna go with 5. So once I go to 5, I've funded my card already, because it asks me to use my card. So I've funded my card already. I'll just tap to purchase. So and immediately I tap to purchase, so this should go easily, because I have the fund on my account already. You can see payment successful, so the account is funded now. And yeah, so I'll continue to the number activation. So now first thing I have to go and do is put on my Switzerland VPN. So I'm gonna press any state in Switzerland. So and once it is on, you can see once it's on, it will display up here that my VPN is on. So you will be able to see it up here that that the VPN is on. So make sure your VPN is on before you proceed. So after the VPN is on, you can see that the VPN is turned on. So I will go over to my DuckDuckGo browser. DuckDuckGo browser. So I'll open it down. So now I have to clear all the browser, all activities I've done on this DuckDuckGo browser before. So first thing I will do is click on this fire option. So once I click on this fire option, it will ask me to clear all tabs and data. So immediately I clear all tabs and data. So I'm in Switzerland already. So the first thing I have to do is go to facebook.com. So the first thing I have to do is go to Facebook. Yeah, facebook.com. So immediately I go to facebook.com. So the IP is on Switzerland, as said already. So we are going to facebook.com. So once we click on facebook.com, go over to facebook.com. So it will pop up opening app. So don't click on opening app, so because you are using the browser only. So click on forget password. So once you click on forget password, this is where you're going to paste the number you get from SMS virtual. So you go over to the SMS virtual. So now, as said earlier, Switzerland has the highest percentage, which will cost us 2A. So once we click on it, then we click on activate number. So it's ordering the phone number. It says ordering phone number. So there's no phone number available in Switzerland. So we can still try it again. So that we can see if there's phone number available. So I've been trying Switzerland, but it seems Switzerland is not having phone number available. So I think I'm going to change the country. So now the country that has the nearest percentage is probably, I think we can go with Netherlands. I think we went with Netherlands before, but Netherlands number, okay, yeah, let's go with Netherlands, because Netherlands has a close percentage of the phone number. So we're going to, but before we click on Netherlands, we have to go and change our IP from Switzerland to Netherlands. So I've switched my IP from WinScribe to PIA. So I'm using PIA VPN. So I'm going to go over to Netherlands. So once I click on Netherlands IP, then it switched to another location, which is Netherlands. So from the Netherlands IP, so once it switched itself, so it also have switched itself already. Yeah, so once it switched itself, so we'll go over to Netherlands again. So now, before we go over to Netherlands again, we have to go and refresh our DuckDuckGo. So I have to go and refresh it, or probably I can just clear it. I'll clear the tab. Once I clear the tab, then I'm gonna go over to Facebook again. So I'll go over to facebook.com again. So facebook.com. So once I go over to facebook.com again, so I said earlier, don't open the app. So click on click on forget password. Now immediately click on the forget password, then we'll go back to SMS virtual back and click on Netherlands, and we'll click on activate phone number. So immediately click on activate phone number, then the activate phone number is available. Then we're going to copy the number, and once we copy the number, you're going to go and paste it over here. So once you paste it over here, so immediately paste it over here, then you click on continue. So if the number is available, if it asks you to try again, then you have to go and get another number, but I think there's an account available with this number. So then instead of you clicking continue, we have to click on try another way. So immediately you click on try another way, it will ask you to send code to the phone number. So and immediately you click on send phone number code to the phone number, then you are going to receive the code on your SMS PVA, and once you receive your code, then you're going to paste it there. And also once you've pasted it there, make sure you change your you change your password as said. So because it's an existing account already, so change your password, and immediately change your password, you are good to go with your Facebook account. So I hope this video is helpful and can assist you in creating a Yankee and a foreign country Facebook account without getting blocked. So I hope this is helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Dave Heroic. Bye.